Hello guys. Welcome to our another tutorial. Today I am going to show you the must-have application. This application is called Email Fast and Secure. This is available on iOS and Android smartphone. Well, here is the good news. Email is 100% free to use, no hidden fees or plans to charge you later. So First of all, let's start by finding the application. Make sure to visit the Google Play Store and then search for Email Fast and Secure. Now watch and follow the steps. Make sure to subscribe for more updates to come. Feel free to place your comments. You can also recommend this video to others by clicking the share button. Make use of the comment sections for questions.